Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making a fun Easter sewing project using fabric scraps. First, print out the egg interfacing pattern. Before we start ironing, protect your table with a rug or an ironing mat. Lay the interfacing flat with the glue side facing up. I'm using a soft, lightweight interfacing for this project. Cut your fabric scraps into 2-inch squares. They'll finish at 1.5 inches after sewing. Now arrange your fabric squares on top of the interfacing, following the egg pattern. For this Easter egg, we'll need 78 squares. With the pattern underneath, you can experiment with different fabric placements to create a unique design. Carefully press the fabric squares onto the interfacing. Just press down, don't push or pull. Make sure your iron doesn't touch the raw interfacing. Now it's time to sew. You can start with either vertical or horizontal seams. Use a 1/4 inch seam allowance, but feel free to adjust based on your preference. The pattern includes extra allowance for flexibility. After finishing one direction, you'll see rectangular sections forming. Carefully snip each fold right up to the stitching. Just don't cut through the seam. Yes, every single fold needs to be snipped. When sewing the other direction, press the seams in opposite directions. For example, press the front row up and the back row down to reduce bulk. Once finished, flip it over and press the seams to one side. Now look, our tiny squares have appeared. Next, let's prepare the egg pattern. This will be the actual size of our egg. Use the same method as before to connect the 4 pattern pieces. Cut out the egg shape along the dotted sewing line. Fold the pattern in half to find the center. Align the center of the pattern with the middle seam of the patchwork. Trace the egg shape onto the back of the patchwork. Cut a fabric piece for the back of the egg. Sew the front and back together, leaving a small gap for turning. Trim off any excess fabric for a cleaner finish. Now, carefully flip the egg right side out. Start stuffing the egg with filling. Once stuffed, close the opening using an invisible ladder stitch. And there you have it, our adorable patchwork Easter egg. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Easter sewing project. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative sewing ideas.